Good morning, students. This is Priyanka Bharadwaj. I'll be teaching you data analytics in this semester. So, after completing this course of data analytics, you'll be able to understand the basic concepts of data analytics. Secondly, you will understand the various statistical procedures, and you'll be able to demonstrate the business analytical techniques that are used for the decision making. After that, you'll get to know various classification clustering algorithms and various machine learning techniques, and you'll be able to employ tools and technologies to analyze the data. So let's start with the first lecture of data analytics. So let's see what data analytics is and why do we need it. So as you know that nowadays data is of utmost importance, right? Data is just like a gold for us. So and we have a huge amount of data that is being generated every second through different sources. So with the presence of this humongous amount of data around us, it is obvious that we need to analyze this data for our benefits, and either for gathering the hidden insight or for generating various reports. So data uh, analytics benefits the enterprise by performing market analysis and thus by improving our business requirements. So in today's market, this field has gained a lot of popularity in terms of numbers because it lets you gather the hidden insights, generate reports, perform market analysis, and thus improving your business requirements. So, with this note, let's see what data analytics is. So, data analytics refers to the technique of analyzing the data for enhancing and increasing the business gains. So, what our major goal is to increase our business gains, and how can we increase our business gains? By analyzing the data and various patterns, or you can say by analyzing our customer behavior, or by analyzing different aspects of data that can help us in our business in various ways. So, data is extracted from various sources and is categorized to analyze the behavior pattern. Now, now the techniques and tools for data analytics varies from the organization to organization. So, the analysis is the process of inspecting, cleaning, transforming, and modeling the data with the goal of discovering useful information, suggesting conclusions, and supporting your decision making. So, in short, if you have the understanding of the business administration and also have the capability to perform exploratory data analysis to gather the required information, then you are good to start the career in this analyst field. So, who is data analyst exactly? Who is data analyst? So, data analyst is a professional who who extracts data from various sources, analyze that data, and finally generates the reports. And now these reports are distributed to various respective teams to to be used to use the analyzed data and provide improvement in the business. So if you want to become a data analyst, you need to have various skills like the the ability to perform uh, statistics, and ability to perform data cleaning, and also have the capability to perform exploratory data analysis and data visualization. Apart from these skills, if a data analyst also have the knowledge of machine learning, then that could obviously add a bonus point to his or her skill sets, as you would be able to build your own models and test these models.